Think you know everything about natural disasters? Think again. We often witness their destructive power on our screens, feeling awe and terror at the sheer force of our planet. We see the swirling clouds of a hurricane, the ground trembling in an earthquake, the fiery spectacle of a volcano. But beyond these familiar images lie secrets that challenge our understanding of the world. These are complex, powerful expressions of Earth's intricate systems. We think of the sun as the ultimate benchmark for heat, its surface glowing at 6,000 Kelvin. Yet here on Earth, lightning creates a channel of plasma reaching 30,000 Kelvin. That's 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. This superheating causes air to expand explosively, creating the sonic shock wave we hear as thunder. The Mississippi flows with inexorable purpose on its 2,300-mile journey to the Gulf. Yet, in 1812, the New Madrid earthquake did the impossible. The ground convulsed so violently it forced the mighty river to reverse its flow for several hours. Waterfalls were created where none existed, entire islands disappeared. We picture tsunamis as slow-moving walls of water, but in the deep ocean, they're silent, almost invisible, and unbelievably fast predators. Following a submarine earthquake, energy transfers to the entire water column. In deep Pacific waters, tsunamis reach 500 to 600 miles per hour, jet airliner speed. Only in shallow coastal waters does this energy compress into the devastating wall we recognize. A volcanic eruption hurls ash, gas, and rock miles into the atmosphere, reshaping the sky. Within this chaotic cloud, another phenomenon is born. The volcano generates its own weather. Friction strips electrons from particles, creating electrical charges that discharge as volcanic lightning. Bolts can arc within the cloud, strike the ground, or project from the summit outwards. The deadliest disaster wasn't sudden. It was the slow, overwhelming power of water. Hurricanes release the energy of 10 atomic bombs every second. Mudslides can move at 50 miles per hour, impossible to outrun. One Icelandic volcano grounded flights across Europe for a week. Droughts kill more people than earthquakes and storms combined, and sinkholes can swallow entire buildings, often triggered by human activity. The Earth is about to show you a side of its personality you have never seen before. Let us begin. When we think of deadliest disasters, we imagine sudden violent upheavals. Yet the deadliest was the 1931 China floods. Following drought, heavy snows, then torrential rains caused major rivers to burst their banks. The flooding inundated an area the size of England. Death toll estimates range from 1 to 4 million people, the most lethal natural disaster in recorded history. The destructive potential of nuclear bombs is a benchmark for humanity's power. Yet nature routinely unleashes energy that dwarfs our most powerful creations. A single hurricane releases energy equivalent to 10,000 nuclear bombs every second. The energy from cloud formation in one day equals US electrical consumption for an entire year. From space it looks beautiful, but we're seeing one of Earth's most powerful energy conversion machines. A mudslide might sound slow, but some are terrifyingly lethally fast. When heavy rains saturate loose soil on steep slopes, the mixture can liquefy. It becomes a viscous river of mud, rocks, and trees moving with astonishing momentum. These lahars can reach 50 miles per hour, faster than city traffic and far faster than humans can run. They engulf everything with little warning, burying entire towns under concrete-like debris. In April 2010, Eyjafjallajökull erupted in Iceland. Erupting under a glacier, it produced exceptionally fine, abrasive ash. The plume rose high and drifted eastward on the jet stream over Europe. The ash can melt in jet engines, solidify on turbine blades, and cause engine failure. Result: the largest air traffic shutdown since World War II, over 100,000 flights grounded. We're drawn to sudden, spectacular disasters that dominate the news. But measured by total human cost, a quieter killer emerges: drought. The absence of rain has historically caused more deaths than any other natural disaster combined. Lack of water leads to crop failure, malnutrition, famine, economic collapse, and mass migration. The Sahel droughts, great famines of India and China. Testament to this slow-motion disaster. We trust the ground beneath our feet is solid and permanent, but sometimes that trust is catastrophically betrayed, as we'll discover in our final shocking revelation. A sinkhole violates our assumption that ground is solid, where Earth simply ceases to exist. While often caused by rainfall dissolving limestone, human activity has become a significant catalyst. Groundwater extraction, drilling, and mining destabilize subterranean structures. When support gives way, sinkholes can swallow roads, cars, and entire buildings instantly. A frightening intersection of natural geology and human impact, what lies beneath is fragile. From sun-hot lightning to ground that swallows buildings, we've journeyed through the planet's most astonishing secrets. These aren't just curious facts. They're profound expressions of Earth's living, breathing systems. They reveal a world of immense energy, intricate connections, and humbling power, operating on scales of time and force that challenge our everyday perception. Understanding these forces doesn't diminish their terror, but transforms it into deep, profound respect for the planet we call home. Earth isn't a passive backdrop. It's active, dynamic, endlessly fascinating. A character in our collective story. I'm curious, which of these 10 facts surprised you most? The river that flowed backward, or the hurricane with power of thousands of bombs? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Engaging together helps us build richer understanding. Every comment adds to the conversation. If you found this journey enthralling, please subscribe and turn on notifications. We'll continue exploring amazing aspects of science and the natural world. There are always more secrets to uncover, more wonders to witness. Thank you for joining me today and for taking time to look more closely at the extraordinary power of our planet.